On a crisp October morning in 1929, the bustling streets of New York's financial district hummed with the usual fervor. The stock market, a behemoth of capitalism, stood tall and unyielding. Yet, unbeknownst to the city's denizens, a storm was brewing. The Roaring Twenties, a decade of prosperity and excess, had lulled many into a false sense of security. Investors, blinded by greed and the promise of easy money, recklessly poured their savings into the stock market. The economy seemed invincible, a testament to mankind's ingenuity and progress. However, the relentless buying frenzy had created an unsustainable bubble. On October 24, 1929, the bubble burst. A day that would go down in history as Black Thursday. As the market plummeted, panic ensued. Desperate sellers flooded the trading floors, trying to unload their shares before they lost everything. The market continued to spiral downward, erasing years of gains and shattering the dreams of countless investors. The following day, October 25th, was known as Black Friday. The market showed no signs of recovery, and the panic only intensified. The once booming city was now a ghost town, its vibrant stock exchange a symbol of despair. But it was on October 29, 1929, that the market's steepest decline occurred. Known as Black Tuesday, it was the day that would forever change the course of history. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped a staggering 12.8% in a single day. The Great Crash of 1929 marked the beginning of the Great Depression, a period of economic hardship and social upheaval. The once unshakable American economy crumbled, leading to widespread unemployment, poverty, and despair. Yet, out of the ashes of the Great Crash, a new era emerged. The lessons learned from the crash led to reforms and regulations that would help prevent a similar disaster from happening again. The Great Crash of 1929 serves as a stark reminder of the price of unchecked greed and the fragility of the economic system. In the aftermath of the crash, the city that never sleeps was forced to confront its demons. The ghosts of Black Tuesday haunted the streets, a reminder of the precarious balance between progress and excess. The Great Crash of 1929, a symptom of the Roaring Twenties excesses, became a catalyst for change, a testament to humanity's resilience, and a lesson in the dangers of unchecked capitalism.